Loki, why are you eating mommy's popcorn? Loki, how did you get there, baby? Is that your popcorn, Loki? Apparently it is. Oh, and he's taking a bite of every one of them. Loki, would you like to look at the movie? No, you just want to eat all the popcorn, huh? He picked up another one. Are you going to leave some of that popcorn for Mommy and Justin? Justin is sticking some. Loki. You enjoy that popcorn, aren't you, sweetie?
Can I have some? Will I have some?
Oh gosh, Jessie, you're taking all it. I think that bowl is you, Loki. I'm going to get myself some more popcorn.